Hey guys, this is James and today I'm going to show you a simple trick to color correct your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here you can see a clip. The clip is not color corrected properly. You can see the white balance of this clip is a little bit off. We can just adjust the white balance from basic color correction white balance section. So first let me show you. If you don't have this panel, then you can just go to window, then Lumetri color, or you can just go workspace, then color. If you go to this workspace, then you will have the same workspace just like me. So from here you can just adjust the white balance just by dragging the slider into the right to increase the temperature, and you can just introduce some tint. Your clip is looking a little bit nice. If I show you the before and after, here is the before and here is the after. But the problem is we are not perfect, so we cannot trust our eyes. To have a better color correction, you have to use Lumetri scope. What is Lumetri scope? If you go window, then Lumetri scope, then this panel will appear. If you don't have this panel, then you can just go to this settings section, and from this you can select vector scope YUV. Maybe you will have this scope too. You can just disable it just by clicking on this section, and from here you can disable it Faraday RGB. So we just need this vector scope, and from here we will have a better idea about the color of our clip. You can see separate color have been sectioned separately. Here is yellow, then green, teal, blue, then magenta, and then red. So here are all the colors, and you can see the colors of our video has been represented through this plot. So how we can color correct our videos using vector scope? Let me show you. We can just reset the white balance, and then we have to go to effects control panel. From effects control panel we have to make a mask around the skin of our talent. To do that we have to go to opacity, and from here we have to select the pen tool, select it, and make a small cut from the skin of your talent. We are just making this mask to have a reference. You can just decrease the feather, we don't need the feather, and again go to Lumetri scope, and here you can see the line. Human skin tone is a little bit orange, and you can see here is a line and here is a line. This is the line. This line is indicating the skin tone in between our red and yellow color, and you can see the color that we have selected of our skin is not perfectly aligned with this line. Our goal is to align this color with this line, and to do that we can use a separate technique. We can use just white balance from here. We can use this slider, we can use HSL secondary, we can use curves, whatever you want. For this video or for this demonstration I will show you how you can adjust the color using basic correction and then white balance from this section. So you can see two different slider, one is temperature and other one is tint. If we just increase the temperature, then you can see the color of our line is just changing. Just increase a little bit and then adjust the tint from here, and you can see that the line is aligning with the reference line perfectly. So here it is. You can just delete the mask now, and you can see our color is perfectly color corrected. You can just disable the effect to see the before, and here is the after. Here we have color corrected the clip, but the clip is not looking so good. We can do some color grading to have a better looking clip. To do that you can use HSL secondary and make a selection of the skin tone of your talent. To do that you have to select this eyedropper tool, select it, and then make a selection from here. And to see which color have been selected, you can use this checkbox, and let me just use this plus eyedropper to get a better selection. I can just click and drag it. So the white portion of this clip has been selected. Now you can use this blur slider to have a better blending of your selection, and then you can just uncheck this. And to get a better color of your skin, you can increase the color, and then you can change the color whatever color you want. So as we have just color corrected this clip, we don't want to mess up with the color of the skin tone. Let reset it, and then just increase the color of the skin a little bit, maybe 105. Then you can just duplicate this section just by copy, and then you can just paste it. So you can see two different Lumetri color have been applied, and the color is messed up a little bit. Select the second one and then go to basic color and reset the temperature and tint, and again go to HSL secondary, invert this selection this time, and here you can just introduce different color. So you can see our clip is looking far better now. If I just disable the clip, here is our before, and here is our after. So just by using the masking technique, you can have a better color corrected clip, and then you can use HSL secondary to color grade your clip. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this video, then you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel to get more Premiere Pro related tips and tricks. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.